Jordan, Hayes Assemble Homestead again, and today it's a hot one. It's like 92, humidity and everything. It feels like it's like 102. So it's warm. I'm sweating, face a little red. But I'm in the barn right now, and I am cleaning out the side that sirloin stays on overnight. Because we have calf share, we separate at night. He comes into the barn, and then we milk in the mornings. But it's time to clean it out. So I've got it all cleaned out here. I'll flip you around and show you. All right, this is my last load here in the gator. Got it pretty well cleaned out. And this is where sirloin stays back here. So in the wintertime, we do kind of a true deep bedding where we will just keep adding carbon onto it every so often and let it build up the whole winter. And then in the spring, we'll clean it out, throw in the compost. In the summer, we kind of do a modified deep bedding where we'll throw some down, he'll stay on it for a while, we'll add a little bit more carbon, and we'll do that for 3 weeks or so, and then we'll clean it out. Just because when we're getting a bunch of rain and stuff, a lot of water runs down in here, so it just gets wet and nasty. So we don't want them laying in that. So we're cleaning it out today. I got some hay that the cows do not like to eat. It looked like good hay when I bought it, but once the cows got into it, it's all gone to seed and they just don't want to eat it. So we're going to bring that back and put that in here for the bedding. And then the pile here, all the stuff I'm taking out. Normally I throw it in the compost pile, but we got the pigs out on the pasture in some not so good area, and I'm throwing this out there right now to kind of get some ground cover out there, get some carbon out there in that soil, and the pigs will kind of till it around and stuff. So did you come to help, Easton? Easton came to help now that the work's almost done. So Easton's going to drop these down, these insulators down, we can run over it. You don't have to tighten it on the ground, just push it all the way down. There we go. Oh, we have to fix that. Good job, Piggy. Coming to see us. Watch out! Pigs are checking it all out now. They will root in it. It's a little warm right now, so they're gonna probably root in it a little bit and then they'll go back in the shade. But they will have this spread out, I guarantee you, by the end of the day. There's another pile there. And we'll just keep doing that as we clean this out, because this is probably the worst part of our pasture. It is nothing but rocks over here. But once the pigs are off it, I mean, it does start to look better, because they used to be on this. This is still kind of bad over here, but look up there. It's coming back. I think we just got to get some more carbon on it. All right, got all the spent hay, and this is the stuff that was seeded out that the cows weren't eating, so we put it in here, and it'll make some good bedding. And I said once every few days we'll throw a little bit more in there. I'm just gonna do the deep bedding, do that 2 or 3 weeks, clean it out and repeat, and do that through the summer. Hope you guys liked the video. We biggest reason we want to keep everything kind of sanitary, clean. It just cuts down on parasites, worms, all that stuff, disease. If you keep your stuff clean, you don't have to worry about that stuff. So let us know if you got any questions. If not, we'll catch you next time, guys. Thank you.